based on the title of this video, you kinda already know what's going on. Yes, we are gonna go to a shop. Vinyl Plug. That's my vinyl guy. Well, I mean, he's gonna be my vinyl guy moving forward. And yeah, should be fun. We're gonna do something fun in the car. I think the goal at some point is to wrap the whole car, but I have other plans, and those other plans require money. So for now, we're going to do something else on the car. It's gonna be dope. It's gonna look good, and yeah, let's go. So total side note, my videos specifically, how do you think they're going? You guys like them? Are they boring? Is there content, like specific content you're looking for that I can help provide? Do you like what you see? Do you like my videos so far? I mean, just let me know. Drop a comment below. And also, I hate to be this guy. Like, I'm really not this guy that tells people to like and subscribe, because then I'm the type that will probably not do it. Oh, okay. Look at this guy, almost hit me. Anyways, if you haven't done so already, make sure to hit that like. Make sure to hit that subscribe. Leave me a comment. Follow me on Instagram, ses.builds. Follow me on TikTok, ses.builds. It's gonna sound so redundant, but I want it to stick to your head. ses.builds. You know, I kinda like this angle. The sky looks good. I look good. I look good. Y'all look good. Hey, let's go. Okay, so hear me out. I was offered a Swan wing for the car, carbon fiber. Now, question is the car ready for it? Is it ready for version 2? Or do we wait and put it on version 3? Because you know there's going to be a version 3. This hustle never stops. So, yeah, Swan wing. I saw the pictures. It looks so good. It's dope. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Should I do a Swan wing or not? But, yeah, enjoy the ride. And see y'all at Vinyl Plug. Yeah, seriously. I had I just sold it. I had an EF9.
Oh yeah?
Super clean.
Nice.
But I got rid of it because I wanted to like build more on this car kind of thing, you know?
Yeah.
That's why I sold it. The opportunity came to buy a house up here, and I was like, well, I need some money.
Yeah, yeah.
And I sold it for like almost triple what I bought it for.
Yeah.
So I was like, it's no brainer, you know? But the guy that bought it is super nice. He's always hitting me up. He's like, yo, if you want it back, just let me know. And I'm like, yeah, okay. Like, I'm gonna pay you all that bread.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? It's the next day. Last night was such a long night between wrapping the roof, getting the decals ready for the car, and the roof came out amazing. You know, it might not be for everybody. Should I have done a gloss black? Maybe, maybe not. But I don't care. It's for me. And I think it looks good. It looks good here in the garage. It looks good outside. Big thank you to Vinyl Plug in Kissimmee that hooked me up with the wrap. And yeah. So next video we are going to install the carbon fiber front lip. I've been holding off because I've been so busy doing other stuff, and I have other things coming in that I've been dying to get, but they haven't come in yet. So once they do, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, make a video for them and show you guys what it is. But for now, make sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment. Say what's up. Tell me what you're working on.